Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will see how to create an Instagram post. Before jumping into that, it is important to understand why we should know about this Instagram post, right? Nowadays, social media marketing is a booming area where a lot of people are earning good amount of money in the digital world, right? So when we say social media marketing, I will put a separate video on that particular topic, but just to understand in brief, social media marketing is nothing but using the social media and social network to promote a product or service, products or services, right, in simple terms. So social media includes a lot of things like Facebook and Instagram, right? So when you know how to create an impressive and effective professional Instagram post, you can sell this as a service in the market. There are people, companies, agencies who are looking for freelancers who can create effective Instagram post. Basically, you can sell this as a service. You can monetize it. Yeah. So let's go and see how do we create an Instagram post. As you may be aware, there is a software, free software called Canva. So we can go to canva.com and create. Here we go. Please subscribe and press the like button if you have liked it, and also the bell icon so that whenever I produce any video, you will get a notification. Okay, right, let us go to canva.com. If you have already got an account, you can straight away log in. Otherwise, just to sign up and create your account. So there are two ways we can start creating. One is you can go to create design, click on that and select an Instagram post which is 1080 by 1080 pixel. As an alternatively, you can go to templates, click on templates, go to the search bar and give Instagram post. Right, so you have clicked on Instagram post. So Canva gives us blank Instagram template. Basically it's an Instagram blank post which you can pick up and customize as you need it. Otherwise there are ready-made posts already created. You can just pick any of them based on your concept, what you want to show in the post, and customize it. Yeah, so there are a lot of samples available. These are for real estate people, hoteliers, agriculture people, and so on. Many the gym guys you can see here, right? So you can see delicious burger. There are a lot of other things available. Birthday cards, birthday posts you can create from there, right? So we'll create a simple one now. We'll start with a blank one. I'm choosing this one, right? So we have got a blank one here. What I'm going to do is immediately change the background color. I will choose something nice. Yeah, so let us select some mild colors, maybe a big pink one. Yeah, okay, so I have selected the background color, and there's an option on the left hand side, uploads. This will help you in getting the pictures you have got in your computer to Canva. Just click on the upload media, it will take you to the folders in your system. So I have already selected a few photographs and uploaded to Canva. I am going to use one of them. Yeah, so just for an example, I will just take this photo, yeah, pick, and I will just put it in the corner. Yeah, okay, and then I'm going to add Instagram logo. So I'm going to photos on the left hand side and I click on Instagram logo. I get various types, varieties of Instagram logo. So I will choose just one of them. I click here, it has come, so I will put it here. I will just rotate it. Yeah, and I'm keeping it on the left hand side, right? So now I'm going to add a few text. I can just move it here as well. This minor changes where to keep the picture, text, colors we can change as you move forward. So now we will add a text, right? So if you click on the text, so you will get add a heading, subheading, or little bit of body text. You can click them and just add it, or there are a few fonts with a different style and color are available below. You can go there and just choose any of them which you feel will look nice for the concept of the particular Instagram post. Yeah, right. So let us just see. Okay, so let us choose this one for example. Okay, so it has come. When I clicked on it, it has come. What I'm going to do is I am clicking on this and I am just going here and ungroup them. This I am doing so that these two items which are clubbed now, I can drag them and use as I like it. So I am just dragging it separately and this is there. So I am going to change this text, right? So simple create Instagram, and I'm deleting this. I will just copy this and I will add. You can change this color as you like it, whichever will suit to the background color. Pink, I'm just trying a couple of combinations, whichever looks better we will leave it there, right? Okay, I am just rotating this a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some sort of background. I can have a different background. On top of that we will put the text so that I can change the colors as I like it. So let us choose a rectangle. So see what are available here. Okay, I will click here. One I have got. So this one I'm just changing it. Yeah. So all right, I'm just changing this. So here I'm going to add text. Yeah, so we can use the same one. I'm just bringing it to the box. Yeah, so before that I will change the background color of this box. So I'm click do is I will put some other color. Right, so I have just added a box and I'm changing the color. Yeah, they change the background color to something like light blue, or yeah, we'll see how it looks like. Yeah, it's better. So yeah, so let me change the details. I'm reducing the font size. Okay, what I will do is I will reduce the size of the text and then this background also. What I'm going to do is now I will just group them together. So I go here and I just group. So this helps us in changing the size. Whenever change, both text and the background will change together, and I can do any movement in one shot. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm just copy and I'm pasting a couple of times. Doing one more time because I'm going to just mention my channel name here. click here and just ungroup. Now whatever I want to do, I can do, because I want to increase the background. And also I just increase this size a little bit. Yeah, that contract. Yeah, YouTube channel. I'm just grouping them so that now when I move it will come together. I will right click, I am ungrouping, just move this. Okay. This one I will group now. So now it's grouped, so you can just move wherever you want to. So this one you can probably bring it up. Post also you can just bring it up. You can add some picture of a laptop or computer here. So I will just search for a laptop. So a couple of options there. So you can see whichever you feel looks like okay to add. Probably this one is good. This is a very simple Instagram post we have created. The size and colors, as I mentioned earlier, you can choose as you like it. You can change it to a more colorful pic. Yeah. So I'm just going to download this file. So I go here and just download and give download. It gets downloaded. Yeah, it is getting downloaded. So let's open that and see. Yeah, this is how it looks. Very simple Instagram post which you can use. As I mentioned earlier, you can go to the templates and choose anything you want. You have to simply add your page and go and check what is there in the samples. You can choose any of them. For example, if you are a hotelier, then you can just choose something like this. Yeah, and you can just add each component here. Each element can be changed as you like it. So you can just double click and change, put your name or your hotel's or business name. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please put your comments and also let me know any specific topic you want me to make a video on and share with you guys. Please subscribe and press the like button if you liked it, and also the bell icon, so that whenever I produce any video you will get a notification. Thank you so much. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.